Okay, so this is the Harding, actually, Harding German-made fuel pump. Very similar to the SU fuel pumps used on English cars, except this fits a 1968 Porsche 911 and provides fuel to the carburetors. And of course, carburetors typically take no more than about 5 pounds of pressure maximum, typically more around 3. So we have a new diaphragm in this and have restored the points, sealed the chambers, as well as, new diaphragm.
Resurface the valves.
Oh, resurfaced all of the valves in it. And it has a very interesting valve. Its in and out valve are both incorporated under this same banjo union there, which I haven't seen in the past. But in any case, we're about to operate the pump. So go ahead and turn on the power, Matt. If you can hear it. I don't know if you can see the point. Yeah, there goes the points whipping away. And over here, we have fuel pressure. Could you hold this right here? Now, of course, this is free unloaded fuel pressure. So now to duplicate the function of the carburetor float valves, you can see that we're right. It's averaging about 4 pounds of pressure there. So doing a great job. Plenty of volume, which you can't see because there's no bubbles in it, which means there's no leaks. And there's no leaks. So is your hand wet?
It's not wet.
It's not wet. So it looks like we've got this thing covered. Thank you very much for your attention.